Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angle sum of a triangle. The three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. There are a number of ways to prove this fact. However, one very interesting way is to cut out each of the three angles and place them side by side as follows. This is not a formal mathematical proof, but it is an interesting visual exercise. So if you take this triangle here, and we'll call that angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So we've just numbered the angles. They're not degrees or anything, they're just three separate angles. Now if we cut them out, for example, if you get a scissors and cut this one out, and then you cut this one out here, and then you cut this one out there like that, and you place them side by side like that and put them close together, you will find that you'll get a straight angle. And we saw in an earlier video that a straight angle is 180 degrees. So that's a nice visual way of showing that the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So given any triangle we have, if you have angle A, angle B and angle C, we've got angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. And this is one of the most important facts in geometry, and we use it a lot in our future. As we go through our future years with geometry and mathematics, this fact is used extensively. Let's look at two examples. If we have a triangle ABC, we have to find angle B. We're given that angle C is 70 degrees and angle A is 60 degrees. So from the information on the previous slide, we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180. That's 60 degrees plus angle B, which is the one we have to find, plus 70 degrees equals 180. If you add 60 and 70 together, that gives you 130. So angle B plus 130 equals 180. Therefore, angle B must be 50 degrees, because 50 degrees plus 130 degrees gives you 180. So angle B is 50 degrees. The next example, we have to find this angle here, angle A. We have angle B is 48, angle C is 23 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. Angle A plus 48 plus 23 is 180. Angle A plus 71 degrees is 180. Therefore angle A must be 109 degrees, because 109 plus 71 gives you 180. So this video has introduced us to the very important fact telling us that the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and we've seen two basic examples.